Okay, so here we have another great pickup stick pattern. We're going to start in the down shed, and this is going to be our pickup stick A, and it's going to be one up, one down, one up, one down. And we're just going to continue that till the end and push it back. Now, whenever you're doing this pattern, you're going to want to have either a heddle rod or 2 pickup sticks just to make it easier. Now, you can kind of see right here, we used a thicker thread. This is 8-4 in the back, and this is a 3-2 up front. Now, you can definitely go thicker for the pattern because that will just make it stand out more. Or if you're using a rather fluffy thread, that's even better because it's going to pop even more and it's going to fill in really nice. So if you have a fluffy thread, pull it out. It's going to look gorgeous. So we ended on pickup stick A, which is that first pickup stick I showed you. And let's go ahead and get pickup stick B into the pattern. So we're going to do the exact opposite of A. So we're going to go one down, one up, all the way across. Go ahead. And we're actually going to pull the heddle up, slide pickup stick forward. We're going to go in with our background weft, slide it through, deep down, down shed, deep down. We're going to pull out pickup stick B and slide pickup stick A forward. The background weft one more time. Slide that back, go into the down shed, but we're going to do our pickup pattern again. Down one, up one, all the way across. These will always be the opposite of each other. So the reason I say you might want a heddle rod is because doing this every 3 passes can take up some time. So if you're doing any project that's large, it might get a little tiresome. I'm going to go back into the up shed, slide pickup stick B forward, pass through with our pattern weft, pick that up, slide that back, go ahead and deep down, go ahead and pull this stick out actually, go into the down shed, pass through with our pattern weft again, go into the up shed, pull pickup stick A forward, pass through, deep down, down shed, push that stick back, go in with our pattern weft again, and while we're here, we're going to go ahead and reinsert pickup stick up shed, slide pickup stick forward. We're going to pass through with the pattern weft one more time. And that is going to create our flower pattern that you're seeing here. So we're going to go to the down shed, background weft, pick this up, deep down. We're going to go back to the up shed and do pickup stick A. So the thing is, if you want the flowers to stay in this row, you would just do an even number of passes and make sure you continue on that line. If you want the flowers to offset a little, you're going to separate them. I will note anytime you offset, there's going to be more passes through the row that's set here, and it's going to create a larger gap. So you're going to have to decide which one you want, but I will show both. So let's go ahead and do the second one real quick, and then we'll take a close-up look. Pickup stick A, let's go ahead and push it back. then, set pickup stick B. We want to get a little gap between the two, so we're going to do more than one pass of this. Go back to the up shed. Let's put pickup stick B forward, slide through, background weft. Pull out pickup stick B, beat down, down shed, beat down. Now we're going to slide forward pickup stick A, pass through with our pattern weft, beat down, go back into the down shed, and put pickup stick B back in. Just remember, pickup stick A is up one, down one, all the way across, and pickup stick B is down one, up one, all the way across. Up shed, slide the stick forward. Just make sure we pick up that thread, carry it across, and pull it out. Beat down. And let's go ahead and do the down shed. Now pick up stick A, shoot across, slide that back. Going to place in pickup stick B again. Up shed, slide pickup stick B forward, pass through, down shed. Go ahead and go in with your pattern weft again. Beat down, slide pickup stick A forward, and we're going to go in with the pattern weft, and that will finish that off. And let's go ahead and put pickup stick B in, just so we finish the cycle of the pattern. Then we'll take a closer look, because I hate to lose my place. I'm not sure about you. Neutral. So we're at the point where we restart, and you can actually see here already we have the little flowers. And if I had a slightly thicker for the pattern weft, it would probably stand out a little bit better, but you can see we got the little flowers right here and right there, and that's created by the way we are manipulating the fabric. You are going to need to use you could use one pickup stick, but it would take a really long time. So I would recommend either using two or using one pickup stick and one Heddle rod. Both are great options. I've done it in the past with the Heddle rod. Very convenient if you're doing a larger project. I did it for a scarf, and trust me, I was very glad I put on that Heddle rod. So it's a very cute flower pattern. I absolutely love it, and it's great for gifts, especially if it's for someone who likes floral patterns. You can do it just a small section, or you can do the entire project. If it's a younger child, they'll love it. A lot of adults, they prefer it in smaller sections. So you know who you're making the gift for, you make that decision. And if you've enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you very much. This is one of my favorite pickup stick patterns. I know with the way I'm doing it, you may want to do a heddle rod. I often, if I'm doing a large portion in this pattern, will use a heddle rod because it's just so much more convenient. But here we have these cute little flowers, which I absolutely love. And we're going to go ahead and follow through. I will say, usually I would use a fluffier yarn, maybe a bamboo tencel or even a wool, something, or an acrylic. That's actually really good for this. It's an acrylic that's just really fluffy because it just really pops with this type of pattern. I hope you enjoy this tutorial.